What if the most valuable paralegal in the next 10 years isn't the fastest, isn't the most organized, or isn't even the person who knows the most law? What if the future belongs to the paralegal who can see problems before they happen, because that's exactly where the profession is heading? And many people are silent about it. For decades, paralegals were measured by accuracy, organization, and attention to detail. Those skills still matter, but here's the challenge. Artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly capable of helping with many of those tasks. AI can summarize documents, organize information, draft reports, and search through thousands of pages in seconds, which means task execution is no longer the only thing that creates value. Something else is emerging. Most legal problems don't appear overnight. They begin as weak signals. A client suddenly becomes difficult to reach, a deadline keeps getting pushed, and the same document error keeps appearing in multiple files. A workflow creates confusion every single time it's used. Most people ignore these signals, but the best paralegals don't. They recognize patterns before others see them. They notice inconsistencies, ask questions, and investigate oddities. And because they do, they often identify problems before attorneys, managers, or clients realize there is a problem. That's not support work, that's strategic intelligence. Many people assume AI will reduce the importance of paralegals. The opposite may be true. AI excels at processing information, but struggles with context and intuition. It struggles with understanding why something feels wrong. For example, why is a client suddenly changing behavior? Why is a normally reliable process producing confusion? And why does an AI-generated summary look correct but somehow feel incomplete? These are human questions. And increasingly, they are becoming paralegal questions. The future paralegal develops 4 critical habits. They stay intellectually curious, look for recurring patterns, question assumptions, and study systems, not just tasks. The legal profession is changing, but the future won't merely belong to the paralegal who completes assignments. It will belong to the professional who sees around corners, notices what others miss, and detects weak signals before they become major problems. Because in the age of AI, information is abundant and insight is rare. And that may become the modern paralegal's greatest competitive advantage. For more paralegal insights, connect on LinkedIn with Sean Denise Andrews, author of The Perfect Paralegal, by clicking the link below.